Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, AI is not just smart anymore, it's emotional. Welcome to FUR GPT, a groundbreaking project that fuses artificial intelligence with Web3 technology, giving users the power to create, train, and emotionally bond with virtual companions in a decentralized world. Dear viewers, in recently FUR GPT launched its native FGPT token, now officially listed on Maxi Exchange, a milestone that enhances the project's accessibility, visibility, and community reach across the global market. In this video, I am going to explain each and every detail of this. So this video is going to be very informative. But here I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Crypto Line, please subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you get notifications of the further upcoming videos. Dear viewers, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Let's talk about FUR GPT. At its core, FUR GPT is decentralized AI ecosystem centered around virtual pet companions that users can design, train, and emotionally engage with. Each pet is brought to life through advanced models like GPT-4 and DALL E2, DALL-E2, generating distinct personalities, emotions, and visuals. Unlike most AI projects that focus purely on functionality, FUR GPT takes a more human approach, building emotional connections and creativity into the digital experience. By integrating with Web3, it ensures that ownership, identity, and data remain secure, transparent, and user control through blockchain technology. So you can explore the official website where you will find all details, a detailed overview of the project's mission and tech foundations, early previews of the AI driven pet creations and emotional interactions tools. The interface itself feels futuristic, so if you want to join it, here is the process. First of all, you will have to connect the wallet. You can connect MetaMask or Wallet Connect. So I have connected my MetaMask wallet. Here you can check out that I have connected MetaMask. So this is the interface. The interface itself feels futuristic and community oriented, perfectly representing FUR GPT's vision of an evolving AI ecosystem built on creativity and emotional intelligence. So dear viewers, here you can check that you can generate images and videos. Here you will have to select the pet type and breed, and here you can put the what is doing, and here you can describe an action, style, color, select style, and here you can also check out the visibility. You can select visibility private, and you can also do it with public. So after it, here you can check out the number of icons, and available credits is 5. You can generate images, and here you can also check out outputs. So here you can check out the beautiful images of the pets. Here you can check out, and here you can check out the wallet connection. This is has been connected, and now we will discuss about the Max C. So dear viewers, here you can check out the airdrop details. Check out the official Maxi listing. Link has been given in the description. The announcement highlights the official FGPT token listing on Maxi, expanding global accessibility, and details of the airdrop event, sharing 5 million FGPT among participants, and future FUR GPT's broader mission to blend AI and emotional intelligence through decentralized interaction. This listing boosts the project's credibility and community exposures, a strong start for a project combining AI emotion modeling with Web3 ownership. So dear viewers, here you can see that you can deposit trade FGPT to win rewards. You can share 5 million FGPT. Here you can check the event dates. Remember the date that this is going to be ending in just 5 days. 4 hours and 56 minutes have been left. Here you can check the event starting date that is going to be started on 21 October of 2025. FGBT listing date has been mentioned. Event ending date is going to be 28th of October 2025, and the reward settlement will be within the 10 calendar days after the event ending. Here you can check out that new users task deposit trade to share 5 million FGPT, make a net deposit of 100 US dollars worth of token 1500 FGPT, and here the second one is complete spot or future trades to earn rewards. Here the link has been given. You will have to register your account on the sign up. The sign up link has been given in the description of the video. You can successfully sign up your account and Maxi, and you can also claim your 10 USDT sign up reward. So this is amazing feature, and here you can also check out the details of the complete spot or future trades to earn rewards. Here the detail have been given. Trade FGPT on spot. Cumulative value spot volume must be equal to more than 100 US dollars or equal to 100 US dollars, and the first 5,000 users share 5 million FGPT and rewards. And the second one will be trade any pair in futures. Cumulative valid futures volume must be equal to or greater than 120,000 US dollars. The first 1,125 users share. Here you can check out the 4.5 million FGPT in rewards here. So these are the two important tasks which you will have to fulfill, and here you can also check out the eligibility and new user stocks and general terms and conditions of this amazing airdrop event. And I think users must join it. Deposited across BNB chain, Ethereum, and Lithosphere AI blockchain, the FGPT ensures cross-chain compatibility and accessibility. So, dear viewers, through this token, FUR GPT aims to expand the AI companionship economy, introducing a new layer of interactivity with the Web3, and it is unique and very informative and very amazing for you. And here is official X page of the FUR GPT. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow FUR GPT on X to get real-time updates, announcements, latest news about FUR GPT. And here is the Telegram official community, and you must join this Telegram community to get real-time announcements and updates. Discord, and you must join it to be part of this amazing platform. And listing of FGPT on Maxi marks a major leap forward for FUR GPT. It improves global trading access and liquidity, strengthens trust and recognition in the blockchain space, and it encourages community growth through the transparent and accessible engagement. FUR GPT is redefining how we interact with AI, turning digital companions and into emotional, intelligent, and in decentralized experience. With its FGPT token live on Maxi, the project has entered a new era of global visibility and innovation. The FGPT token listing is not just about trading, it is the beginning of a smarter, more emotional, and more connected AI future. Dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family for ongoing updates on emerging crypto and AI project. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Crypto Line and stay connected for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.